it's John Rich with Moxie Future Experiences. Today is April 3rd, and Amazon just announced that they're supporting the Prime Now ordering system that will get you stuff in 1 hour. So we're about to put it through its paces and see if we'll really get our items in 1 hour. Here we are on the Prime Now screen. We've got the items ready to go. I'm gonna hit checkout on 1, 2, and 3, and we're gonna see if they're gonna make it in the next hour. We just placed the order. This is pretty cool. It instantly brings up a map of our location, and it says the order is being prepared right now. So we're gonna cut now, and then we'll come back as we get messages as soon as the delivery makes its way here. Just got a text that says your Amazon Prime Now order will arrive soon. We are at the 30-minute mark approximately. All right, so they've just arrived. I'm about to get the box. Hey, how's it going?
Hi.
Good. John Rich. So they're just scanning the stuff in now. Bye guys. Awesome.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. All right. So we've got it, and we're gonna head to the Hive to open our stuff up. So Amazon Now has done it. 44 minutes, DVD, and the glass. Congratulations, Amazon Now. Well done.